Today's master plan is we extended the bikes. She was lovely. I'll put a link where to go for bikes as well to rent. She's fantastic. She said don't worry about paying until we bring them back, which is, it does help the fact that my mate Egg knows her from years and years and years ago, and her wife knows her, which is brilliant. So today's plan, heading towards Koh Resort, which is then part of Baan Tai Beach, which is apparently one of the best beaches in Koh Samui. So that'll be fun. And it is boiling today, 35, and even with the breeze on the bike, it's not even cool. It's actually, my toes are hot, which is weird. There we go, all good. Look at this. Baan Tai Beach. Baan Tai Beach. Baan Tai. Beautiful. The water. Oof. Right with the bleeding sun. I can't see anything. Go around this way a little bit. One more. Yeah. This is paradise. Palm trees, sand, crystal clear water. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Wow, Baan Tai Beach. What a place. Beautiful. Recommended. 10 out of 10. Stunning. Just stunning. Back on the road. honest. Big balls they are. There we are. Tied up as well. Big balls. The road we're going along just literally goes right through the middle of Koh Samui, east to west and east, and then roads off everywhere else. Quite simple to follow. Pretty long road though. Quite busy. If you're unsure about being on a bike, just take it around the little towns first of all, rather than the main roads, because it can be a little bit hectic. But otherwise, it's pretty good. Well, that's both Fred and Neil lost. I'm not going very fast. I am a little bit now, but I don't know where they are. I'm sure they'll find their way back sometime today. It's all a bit of fun though. Neil's not the quickest bike rider in the world. Better being safe than sorry, that's for sure. Like this, look. I just swallowed a bleeding fly, just to add to it. Turn right up here somewhere. There we go. And then we turn left in a minute. It's definitely a different route than what we've come in. This is cutting across through the little villages, which is quite nice. Here we go.